Ow! That hurt. But then it felt good.
It's just...
God.
Slide.
Oh.
Keep breathing.
Wow. I am a brand new person.
A brand new stress-free person.
Yes.
Awesome. All right. This is her first time, and she's really... How nervous are you?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Oh my goodness. Okay. Well, you're here. You got to go for it. That's it. You're gonna lie face down right here. Face here, hands right there. Okay. The more relaxed, the better. Again, the sacrum. See, she's tight. She's a little twisted up here. Here, these shoulders. See, tight. She's got a lot of tension. Tension. Sacrum, hip bones, tailbone. The more tension you have here, the more compression, the more it slides up. We can't have that. No good. And it's like this left side is, it's like gone. Too tight. You're gonna turn. You're already popping and clicking right there, right in this spot. So. Yeah. Turn to me. You're gonna lie. Get you just turn your head all the way back. Get this one straight. This one bent up. This one this way. I'm gonna slide you a little more towards me. You are not gonna fall. Okay. I got you.
I think I'm in the edge.
I got you. You're not going. You're not going anywhere.
Oh my god. Wow, I needed a moment.
You okay?
Yeah.
How's it feel?
Definitely released.
There you go. Perfect. You're going to turn to the other side. Too bad. That's it. This is where you're here. It's going to happen. Hey, you saw the videos and decided to come in, so nobody forced you to come here. Nobody forced you. Straighten that leg out the bottom. Right there, right there. But you can't keep this tension in your spinal nervous system. It's no good. It'll destroy you over time. It'll destroy you.
Ah!
Excellent.
Oh. I'm so happy right now.
Good. And she was so nervous before. Excellent. You're gonna put your back up against that pad right there. You can't have this tension in your spine. You have too much of it. That's the issue. Pain is not really the problem. Pain is not the issue. It's the pressure, tension, and stress building up over time in the spinal nervous system. And then at some point it causes you pain. And then again, you start taking all the medications, you think your problem's gonna go away, and it never goes away. Tuck that chin. Gonna take a nice deep breath in. Gonna blow it all the way out.
Oh.
Good.
Woo.
Good. There's some more, a little bit down further. Just drop your chin a little bit more. Take another deep breath in. Gonna bring you forward here, all the way out.
Oh.
There you go.
It's so amazing when it cracks. It's like everything is like...
It's the tension release. She was so afraid she was gonna be in so much pain. It stings a little bit sometimes when you get the adjustment, but adjustments make you feel good. That's what they do. They take the pressure, tension, and stress off your spinal nervous system. You're gonna come and sit.
Oh, this is
out of it. It'll talk me out of it. Yeah, she's nervous about this one.
Yeah.
She's trying to...
I was nervous with all of them, but I think this one's definitely
Because that one time, she saw that one time in a movie where the guy went like that, and then like 6 people died. Yeah, you know.
Oh my God, okay.
Hang those arms over the side, and the more relaxed you are, the better, okay? Just let it go. Just let it go. All this tension right here. Right side is even worse. I'm going to start right there. I'm going to drop that shoulder. Just let it go, nice and relaxed.
Oh, okay. No. No. We're gonna try this again.
We're gonna go lower first. Here you go. Watch. This is.
Ow! That hurt. But then it felt good. God.
Slide down a little bit. Like go down. You okay?
Yeah. Just. I'm being speechless right now.
I'm gonna drop this shoulder right here. Nice and relaxed. Let it go. Drop. Easy. See, right there.
Oh.
There you go.
Wow. Amazing.
I'm gonna drop that head back right here. Let it go. Drop. Let it go.
Oh. Wow. Amen.
Amen. That's awesome. Good. See all that tension?
Yeah.
How do you feel?
I feel like brand new.
Brand new. Perfect. You're gonna come lie on your back. That's awesome. Good. I just lift up those legs. Nice and relaxed. Perfect. And just give me those hands. Let's keep stretching. Nice and relaxed right there. Again, we are going to decompress that spine, that nervous system. You're too compressed. Put that head all the way back. Take a nice deep breath in. Blow it all the way in. Wait. Wait. There we go.
Okay.
Take a nice deep breath in. Blow it all the way out.
Oh.
Keep breathing.
Wow. I am a brand new person.
A brand new stress-free person.
Yes.
Awesome. Stay right there. You gotta get those ankles. You gotta get everything. Decompress the whole spine and nervous system. That's great. Good stuff. Let it go, nice and relaxed. Wow. Let it go, nice and...
Oh, wow. The right one was crazy.
But the tension goes through the whole thing.
Yeah.
That's why we gotta let it go.
Wow.
There. I finally ordered a nice wireless microphone. So you get rid of this thing. Stay right there, don't move. I'm gonna come right next to you right there. Alrighty. How do you feel?
I feel amazing. I feel stress relief. I feel so good. I feel like I can dance again.
There you go. She's ready. She's ready to dance again. Awesome. Stress-free dancing. That's what we need in this world. We need more stress-free dancing and love for everybody's spines and nervous systems especially. But it's her posture. We got to work on her posture. And that's what the adjustment did. Take the pressure, tension, and stress off her spine and nervous system. Make her move better, feel better, live better. That's what an adjustment does.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. And don't let anybody tell you any different. If they tell you different, they're lying to you. Boom. Awesome.
They got to try this.
Absolutely. Come and try it. That's amazing. Good. I'm so glad. That feels... Now, how did it feel?
Wow, I feel so good.